Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair video. As you can see, we're doing a video with Alipearl. So this is how the hair comes packaged. Once I remove the wig, you get all the wig essentials and eyelashes and a cute little compact mirror and of course a bag. And here's the wig info. And this wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. So here's the ins and outs of the wig. I got a cap size small this time, so I'm super excited about that because it seems like all the wigs come in size medium and I have a small head. And of course no braid down, so I'm putting my hair in a low ponytail. And since this is like thick curly hair, you're not gonna see the little hump in the back. So I'm just adjusting the adjustable strap on the wig. All the wigs come with adjustable straps, and we're just gonna put it on. Also, this is a 4x7 wear and go wig, so I don't know if I told you the specs of that. So you get a good amount of parting space, and I prefer these over lace fronts because y'all know my forehead is literally so small. Look at it. And my hairline touches my eyebrows, but that's neither here nor there. Here's what the lace looks like. The wig looks good. The fit of it is nice and snug, so the lace is gonna lay real flat. And here I'm just kind of straightening out that part because I feel like it was a little crooked, but this is what the wig looks like from me being backed up. So I'm just fluffing out the curls, trying to figure out what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do first is cut some of this lace off, and then I'm going to go in with a little powder foundation to the lace just to make it blend in with my skin a little better. And this time I'm flipping my ponytail up. This is like the flattest way to me. To make it a little more natural, I'm also going to pull out my edges because they just sit in front of the lace. I'm going to use my own natural edges to create some baby hair. To tame the hair, I'm just spraying it with some warm water. This is going to loosen up the curls a little bit because I did not pre-wash this hair. This is straight out the package. What you see is what you get. So definitely you're going to have to go in with some water if you want to like define the curls a little bit and refresh them because it has been in a bag. And that's just easy minimal work. We don't have to do no plucking, no bleaching, no cutting. Well, I cut a little bit, but I love wearing gold wigs. They're just so easy. Like, we literally don't have to do any more work, and I love that for us. And now it's time to clip this hair back. I'm going in with some edge control and I'm going to slick these edges down because they are a mess. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm not using any of the hair from the wig. I'm just laying down my own edges. And also, if you wanted the lace to like melt into your skin, you definitely would need to go in with like a hairspray or something, which I normally would, but I just want you guys to see what it looks like with nothing. I just added some powder foundation and that's it. So for me, I think it looks really good. Lace is lace. You're still going to see it a little bit, but the lace on this wig is really nice. It's thin. It's easy to blend in with your skin, basically. And the middle part was cute, but I think I want to do like a cute little flip over, like no bars. Um, yeah, and I like this side because the lace lays flatter on this side. I don't know, I might got less edges on this side, but I think it looks really good. And the little flippy over is cute. The curly flip is cute. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The wig is cute. She's cute. I'll be sure to list all of Alipearl's information in the description box, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing in this video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.